Sandals Montego Bay Oceanfront Penthouse Club Level Junior Suite with balcony, Tranquility Soaking Tub. Let's take a look on this side. This is where you control your lights, your fan, and your carbon monoxide here. Let's view the room. There's 2 chairs on the side of the bed with a table. And this side desk with 3 deep drawers. Very big, and the phone and your electronic charger next to the bed in a big king bed. And at the end of the bed, there's a long bench that was very nice. And on this side is similar to the other one. You control your lights and also you can charge all your electronics. This drawer, yes, the same thing. And this big desk with storage and 6 deep drawers. Take all our things. We have plenty of space. And on top of that is your flat screen TV. That was very nice. Let's look at beautiful bathroom. A big wide sink for 2 people. Some storage here. It comes with shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and body lotion. And for the ladies, you have shower caps. And here you have a big mirror with lights and another side mirror for makeup. Your chargers here. On the bottom, you have extra towels. And a big drawer to put all your toiletries. Now let's take a look at this beautiful shower bathroom. I like the bathroom is on one side. There's a nice soft painting on the wall. And here is this big, massive shower. I didn't expect that. 5 people can stand here and take showers in there. This really blew my mind. I didn't need that. That was too much, y'all. Look at this. Can you believe this shower? So now let's go take a look at the coffee station. This is where you will make your coffee in the morning, and also you have all your alcohols. I'm not a big, heavy alcohol drinker. I never touch those. And on the bottom is where you have a small fridge. They stock it up every day for you based on what you like. For me, it's only water that I need from this fridge, so they always have water for us. And the next to there is the empty space we didn't need. The closet is very big with ironing board, extra pillows, extra blankets, and a lot of hangers. There are 2 umbrellas in case it rains, and also a safe. And don't forget those 2 beautiful plush robes, which I'm going to use outside to take a bath later. I can't wait. And also 2 slippers. It's a very, very big closet. Let's take a look on the balcony. The balcony has a table and 2 chairs. It's pretty big on this side. And then on the other side of the balcony, there's a big Tranquility Soaking Tub that I did use to take a bath on the balcony with this amazing view I am about to show you. This view gets better and better depend on the time of the day. At sunset, oh my God, this will blow your mind. And thanks guys for watching. Like I promised, hear me making a fool of myself with my drink in the tub. I really enjoy it though. Oh my God, what a time that I have here. And that's it for the video, guys. Please subscribe, like, share, thumbs up. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.